Alright, hey, what is going on, guys? Dwayne Gibson here, and welcome to Gibson's Beard Adventures. And today, I'm going to show you how I get my short beard ready in the mornings. So, watch this little intro, we'll get right into it. Alright, well, I just got out of the shower not too long ago. So, tools I'm going to be using are my number 6 styling comb from the Chicago Comb Company. This, I think it's about a 1/2 inch round brush from Walmart. And my Beardfield Boar's Hair Bristled Brush. I'm also going to be using today some Honest Amish. Got the oil. I'm going to be using the beard wax for y'all. So, let's talk about this beard oil right fast. Honest Amish, I done a video previously when I had shaved off my beard and stuff like that. And I really don't think I gave it the proper review that it deserved. But this is really an amazing, rejuvenating oil that you can pick up at Walmart fairly cheap. It's on Amazon. It's pretty much everywhere. Okay, let me read you the ingredients on here. We got avocado oil, virgin pumpkin seed oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, golden jojoba oil, virgin argan oil, Kauai oil, plus 7 essential oils targeted at promoting healthy skin and beard. This is just a real nourishing oil. Alright, so I've become a bit picky on how much I use. This is a nice golden colored oil right here, y'all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use about 6 drops of this for my short beard. Alright. I'm going to be looking in my mirror here. Alright, I go up and underneath because I want to get it to the skin, but also want it to coat the hairs as well. My beard is real thin under here. Bet y'all didn't know that. And that's why I'm going to be styling this out. I get a bad wave right here, and it's real thin under here, so I have to do it certain ways. Alright, now that that oil's in there, I'm going to use my comb just to kind of comb it through. Okay. And then we're going to wait 5 minutes. Then we're going to come back. We're going to hit it with some heat and style it out. So, okay, so it's been about 5 minutes now. I forgot to mention the scent on this Honest Amish beard oil is it's a bit of an earthy scent. I really do enjoy it. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to take our round brush here. I'm going to hit it with, I might have to use the high heat setting. So, I'm going to be keeping it at a distance, and I'm going to go up with it at first. Alright, this is going to kind of straighten out the hairs going up, and then I'm going to go side to side with it to kind of confuse these hairs under here so I can get them straight, see if I can't get some of that little wave worked out. So, let's do it. See, I was keeping it at a distance, and I was just barely hitting it with that, going up with it. Now we're going to take it and we're going to go straight down and work and stop. Same thing, high heat at a distance. Follow along with your tool. Once you get it like that, everything's kind of straightened all the way down. Now what I'm going to do, since my beard is so thin under here, I can't just leave it like this because then it'll look weird. I'm going to take the round brush and then I'm just going to kind of roll the beard under, trying to give it some more body. Yes, it does shorten it just a tad, but it's a sacrifice worth making to give this beard some shape. So we're going to roll under, we're going to hold some heat to it when we get it right there, and then I'm going to hit it with this right here. This is the cold button, and this will kind of help set those hairs in place. So I'm just going to hold it here for a second, and I'm going to hit it with that cold. Twirl it under. Alright, same thing on the other side with the heat. I'm going to hit it with that cold. At this point, then I'm going to take it and then I'm going to go down really quickly on each side, making sure not to push in on the inner sides under the jaw. Alright, now that's going to be that with the hair dryer. Now I'm just going to take it. I'm just going to kind of pull everything into place while the beard's still nice and warm. Roll it under in places. Kind of get a shape going to it. Pull areas down. Now at this point I'm going to be using some Honest Amish beard wax. Also purchased at Walmart. And the ingredients on this here is beeswax, shea butter, palm oil, olive oil, pumpkin seed oil, coconut oil, carnauba wax, then it's Himalayan cedar, clove, star anise, and English lavender, which makes up the scent profile with scents of cedarwood, anise, clove, lavender, and this is a medium hold wax, which I would say is like a firm hold balm in my opinion. Now the scent on this is the same, it's kind of like an earthy scent. This is a little bit more of a sweeter earthy scent. Still nice. I'm going to show you all that there. It's a beard wax there. Get y'all. It's yellow in color. Alright. Now, light. There we go. Okay, now I'm just going to be taking a bit of this, because it does come out. A little bit of effort on the thumb. Alright. Yep. Shoot on that, you can stay right there. I'm just going to put it in my hand. Now this is a bit more of a wax, so it takes a little bit more to really get worked in there. Keep that up real good. Alright, now we're just going to start just kind of applying to the top part of the hairs. Alright. And then I like to go under. It kind of helps keep that body in there. Plus, I'm going to be using my comb and round brush one more time. Okay, now that that's like that. Now, me personally, I don't want to just kind of leave it like this, so I do kind of comb the wax through. This kind of helps show me the direction that my hairs are going to be laying. And then when I hit it with my boar's hair, it can, one more time, with the round brush underneath. This kind of gives it the body out, just kind of rolling and fluffing, rolling and fluffing. Just like that. The reason I'm leaving those fluffed up like that. Now for the boar's hair. Check it out. Alright. I'm just using the boar's hair lightly to push just the top of the hairs. I'm not pushing into the beard. I'm just moving the top layer of hairs in the direction I want them to go. That body's still staying underneath. Alright, get my shape going on. Now I am in desperate need of a beard trim to shape up everything real good, but I'd say that looks pretty good. And then when I'm looking down, we're looking like this. You never really know that I had a thin underbeard, and you can't tell it in the pictures either. So and here we are, looking all nice and good right there. So that's how I get ready in the mornings. I was using the Honest Amish beard oil and beard wax that you can pick up at your local Walmart or any other like Rite Aid, Target, places like that. It does work pretty good. So, until next time, y'all, have a good one. Live every day as an adventure.